Yo, what's good? What's good? Oh, man, this is something totally different. Totally different. Now, you know what I'm saying? I love rap music. I mean, look at me. I love rap music. But do not sleep on rock music. I know a little something about rock music. What do I listen to? I listen to Green Day, a little bit of Linkin Park. I listen to a little bit of Metallica. What else I be listening to? You know what I'm saying? Things like that. But let's check out Def Leppard. I love me some rock music. Let's get straight to it. Oh, how did I forget? You know I love me some Cult of Personality, Living Color. That song is hard. Let's listen to some rock music. Now, hold on real quick. I'm telling you, I'm a culprit. I'm responsible. I've worn Def Leppard shirts without listening to a Def Leppard song. I'm not gonna lie, I'm being honest. So let's see what they're working with here. And also, type of rock music I like it like hardcore, but not metal hardcore. Like, oh, how did I forget? Nirvana. I be listening to Nirvana all the time too. Like, you know, like Smells Like Teen Spirit, like that little bit hardcore rock, but it's not like metal. Like that's what I like. Got zebras in there. What the? Is that the nigga on the pole? Bro, I like that little like flow switch and turn it up a little bit. And what was I about to say? My bad. But what I was about to say? Oh, you know what song is slept on? Hulk Hogan's theme song. That song goes hard too. Looks like they're in the zoo. Yeah, jiggy. I always want to know how to play the guitar. This song makes me feel good, like. See, I would play this song if I'm like driving in the middle of the summer or something. Oh, I love guitar solos. Who is that? Oh, look at that. So much fun back then. Like in the 80s and 90s. he's killing it with one arm? Def Leppard, Animal. I like that little pause they did. Dang. That was my first time ever listening to Def Leppard. Not gonna lie, they didn't disappoint. I actually like that song. I like that little turn up that they did. Like, first it started off like low and then they started turning up. Dang. Let me know what other rock music you want me to listen to. I love rock music. But you know what to do. You know what to do. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna catch y'all later.